So hey, this is the boss of here showing you Plants vs Zombies hack for Planet Recharge, Sun hack, and Money hack. So first, bring out your Plants vs Zombies. And this doesn't work on iPad and stuff, okay? Okay, so get out your cheat engine, and this is for 6.1 or 6.0. Right now I'm using 6.1 because it's most updated. So bring it out, and you have this. Then you just go to adventure or survival. I'm just doing survival because I don't really want to do adventure right now. So go to any. Go to survival day. Or if you're daytime, nighttime, pool, fog, roof, they'll walk anyone. Real. I'll show you how to do it at nighttime too. But this is easy. So if you did here, just go here. Pick your plants and everything you want. Sunflower, just do it. Then you have your plants. Go here. Go to this little computer thing. Look for PopCap Game 1. Go to it, and if you don't have it, go to Plants vs Zombies 1. And if you don't have that, that means something's wrong with your cheat engine. So go to PopCap Games, press open, then you see this, press resume game, you see 50, put 50 in here, for scan, see how you rent your stuff. So go back to your game, the sunflower there, and you have 0. Now put 0, next scan, and then you have 1. Press fuse it, then put like 9,999, then look what happened. That will happen. You can remove your sunflower if you want. And then time for Plant Recharge hack. So go back to here, click on your address, anyone, and press disable this memory region. Then you have this. Click it, right click it, press go to address, then put in this. Let's see, put in this 00491 and then E4C. I repeat, 00491E4C. Then I'll just put this on the little code on this notepad so you guys could catch up. Okay, after you do that, press OK. Then I'll bring you to this Ink EDI plus 24. So right click it, actually left click it. You see this? Just delete INCK and put add. Don't do anything else, and then go to the end of everything and put a comma 200. I repeat, put add comma 200. Okay, after that press OK. Then you see this, press yes, doesn't really matter. Then it should give you a new thing. Then just delete it. Then you're here. Now look. Now everything is really fast out. See? So now it's time for, let's see, money hack. So go to Dave's shop. See this? I did this already. You could just do it, I guess. I'm gonna buy a bunch of stuff right now, so it'll bring down the price a little bit. Oh, whatever. I don't really care. Well, it's kind of hard to do it if you have this much. I'm kind of mad at this. It put negative on it, so it's kind of hard to restart. But when you do have it, just go divide it, because there's gonna be a 0 right here where my mouse is. Right here, just cover it and put the number what is right there. Then type it in there. Put it in the press new scan, then whatever your thing is. And if there's like a bunch of it, just buy something like anything you want, like a rake, I guess. Then it will bring a new price. Cover the last number again, which is 0. Put it in, and then just press next scan, and it will bring it up here. A bunch of addresses, like 4 or 3. That's good. And just click all of them and put it in here. Just press activate in all of them and change the value to like whatever you want. Just be sure to put like 9,999, something like that, and freeze it. Because if you put a bunch of it, it will happen to like you, what I did. So don't do that. So that's pretty much all. Bye. Subscribe. La 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 la.